Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix app not installed as app is not compatible with your phone using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. As you can see here, I am applying this method using Android 14 Samsung phone. But you can solve this issue in any version of all Android phone with this method. So let's start. If the normal method does not solve this problem, then you have to use this method. According to this method, you can solve this problem not only on Android 14, and also you can solve it using any version of all Android phone. To solve this, you need to first install an application on your phone. To do that, open your Chrome browser or any internet browser. Search for Disable Target API block. Install this application. Tap on Download Anyway. After completing the installation process, tap on Install. Tap on Done. Remember, if your application not installing from Google Play Store, then you need to install your desired application from another source. So search for the application which you want to install. For example, I am installing Bitmate. Download the application from the official site. Do not install or download any application from untrusted website. After completing the downloading process, now try to install your desired application. This time I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then check out the description of this video. There are more solutions available about this problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.